Today is May 21, 2021, and I am right here now at Home Depot because I need something at home. And this is the one that I get. It's the one. See you later. And the price for this, the original price is 38.96 cents, and now it's on sale. It is 27.88 cents. So I got a good price. Okay, see you later. Okay, and I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I get 7 total of them. I am shopping today for my home. Security camera.
Still here, huh?
Yeah, I'm off today, so I'm not in a rush. Thank you. Yeah, it's only my day off. I'm working 6 days a week.
Thanks for stopping by
Mm-hmm.
and picking these up.
Thank you. It's a big thing for me.
Sure, it's great.
It's
and you got a
yeah.
good price.
Yeah, it is.
That's
It's
the
very
best thing.
expensive.
Expensive.
Why?
If you were to buy that as outright without it on sale, it costs you a lot more money.
Yeah, it is.
So you're good.
Thank you.
All
So
right.
just in case if it has a problem, then I can return, right?
Oh, yes, just keep your receipt, and there'll be no problem.
Thank
I'm
you.
sure you should be okay.
Thank you. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Okay. I will look something here that maybe one day we needed. Okay, wow. Okay, these are these tiles. These are their tiles. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm still here at Home Depot. We will look something here. Oh my God, have mercy on me, Lord. This is their tiles. Wow, this is their tiles. It's gorgeous. Okay. And this is the one that I like. This is the one that I really like. It's really cool. It's the one I like. It's really cool tiles. And the name is Cara Polish. It's a Cara Polish. That's the name. But it's different color. It is gray, and it has color greenish gray, like that. And there's color. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's beautiful. That's the brand new tiles of the year. Okay, and there is another one, Arctic White. but it's not. It is a dirty white kind of. Oh, this is good too. It's gorgeous. Wow. And that's the number. It's the number of 640 Arctic white grout. Okay, this one here, it's a bright white grout. 381, the number 381. Oh, bright white grout. So it means they are different grout too. Okay. Ready. Arctic white grout. Okay. It's beautiful. And this one, oh, it's a wood. Okay, water resistant. That's a wood. Oh, gorgeous. And the bright white grout, same thing. Okay, but these are big. The big size. 32 by 32. Crema Murphy. It's a Crema Murphy. Lux gray. Santis yellow. Oh, that's the white. Santis yellow. Oh, okay. And there's the biggest one. Oh, they're so beautiful. And all of this stuff is for the bathroom tiles. Look at their designs, are so beautiful. They are beautiful. Okay. They are all beautiful and gorgeous. This one is beautiful. Just for the pavilion. This is for the bathroom. All of this stuff is for the bathroom tiles. They're also beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, this one. Okay. Wow. Cara white mosaic tiles. And this one, dove gray arabesque. That's dove gray arabesque. That's gorgeous. Okay, let's see more. I keep on looking. Maybe we can find something more beautiful. Okay. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. And then there's one more here. That's beautiful. Oh, beautiful. And that's the Subway. Let's say Subway. Okay. Oh, this one, look, gorgeous. And that's Michelangelo. This one is gorgeous too. Wow. Beautiful. Look at the stars. Wow, look at this. Gorgeous. And this one, wow, that's gorgeous. And this one too, look at this. These gorgeous tiles. Wow, I love these tiles. Ceramic tile. It's our ceramic tile. Wow. More beautiful to look at it here. So we are here now. Appliances. These are the appliances. Oh, it's gorgeous. And the faucet. The next is the faucet. Okay, we go to the faucet. Okay. So these are all other faucet art, so beautiful. Wow, there are all other faucets, so gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. These are shower, different kinds of shower. Wow, beautiful. Here, have a look at in here. These are the showers. Wow. Ayan. Many kinds of designs. Malaki. They're so big and small. Okay. We will go back to the faucet. Oopsie. Okay. So the first. So gorgeous. These are different kinds. Gorgeous faucet. Okay. So the faucet here, and at the other side, this is for the bathroom. Wow, this one here is really good. It's perfect. That's for the bathroom. Look something here. Okay. So, right. Okay. They're so beautiful. Right. Wow, this big faucet. Oh my god, never in my life. Huge. I've never seen a big faucet like this. It's my first time. They're giant faucet. Wow. It's my first time to see that. If I did not walking around here, I couldn't see it. Shower liner. And this is the one for the curtain. That's the one. It's the one for the curtain. Okay. And it says rust proof. So hindi siya kakalawangin because it has rust proof. And then so many kind of stuff in here. Okay. Oh, I hope all of these are working. I hope all of my camera are working. Oops, cabinet. Wow, this cabinet. This is the one that we have at home. Oh, I want it really. This is the one that we have at home, really. Oh, but it's so small. This is so small, but I need a big one. Oh, so small, but I just need a big one. Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4. This looks like it's for the bedroom. Oh no, it's for the bathroom. Yeah, look, see, it's really for the bathroom. Yeah, it's for the bathroom, but this is so small. It's very beautiful, gorgeous. But this one, oh, this is very scary. Oh, there's no other way to open it. This one is gorgeous too. Look. Oh, that's beautiful. And the side. Wow, that's gorgeous. I like the handle because it is stainless, and I like that really. We are here now in the sink. Okay, that's the sink. Ouch! Oh wow, the big sink. That's how it look like. See, this is bigger sink. Oh, that's beautiful. Bigger sink. I like the sink because it's stainless. Oh, this is the one that I wanted. Two sinks, two big sink. I love this. I love this one. Oh, I love this one. It's good quality. I love this one. This is rubber. The drainer is rubber, the color gray, but the round, the circle is the stainless. Oh, I love that. I love that stainless. But this one, oh, this is the one that we have at home. It will always break your plates in here. So that's not for me. Okay, what about this one? Oh, kind of plastic sink. This one, another big sink. So the perfect one for me is this too. I love this too. I love that. Alright, let's go home. Time to go home. It's already 7 p.m. here. Around 7:30 p.m. Thank you, Lord. I'm home. I'm home safe. Alright.